Good morning. Today we're going to talk about how to make a white outline around any shape. I'm going to use a picture of me looking ridiculous, but you can use any of the elements that you get in Canva. And we're also going to talk a little bit about how to do it with text. Okay, let's go over to Canva. If you find these videos useful, please tell all your writer friends. So we're going to start with, let's do an Instagram square. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we help authors use Canva better for their book marketing. If you are an author who would like to talk to other authors, come and join us in the free Facebook group. The link is in the description. And if you would like some free templates, sign up to my newsletter. Again, the link is in the description. Right. Okay, so we have this. Let's just make it a little bit bigger so that we can see what we're doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by uploading a photo of me gardening. Although why on earth that would persuade you to buy my book, I don't know. But there you go. That's me grinning. I just took a picture on my phone. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to edit and we're going to remove the background. Because nobody needs to see that awful mess. That's my background there. Okay, right. So there's me. That's me pointing at pretty much anything that you want me to point at. I don't know what's happened to my finger there, but okay, never mind. Right, so let's change the background to something solid. What's a nice color? That's quite cool. Let's do that. Okay, so now what we want is we want me outlined in white. So the background remover is a Canva Pro feature. Can you see that's a little crown? If you want to try Canva Pro for 30 days, there is a trial. The link is in my description again. Okay, so there's me. Let's find edit. And then we are going to go and find shadows. We want glow. And what that does is gives a little glow. Now you can, with glow, pretty much make the glow any color you like. That's me with a red glow. But for these purposes, we are going to use white. Now, if you want pure white, you can change the hex code here to FFFFFF. And that should give you pure white. Okay, so now you have a white glow. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase the size of the glow. And we are going to take the blur amount right down so that it's solid, see? And then we're going to take the intensity to 100%. And there you go, there's me with a white outline around me. Let's put that in like that. And let's give you something to point out. This is not something I'd normally share on social media, but it's just so that I've got something to an example for you. TWBIA. This is The Winner Bakes It All, which is my current newest book. There we go. And seeing as we're doing outlines, let's give this one an outline as well. Edit. Shadows. Glow. Size up. Blur down. Color white again. And transparency. There we go. This is a bit tongue-in-cheek, but there we go. Buy my book. Just for the hell of it, I am going to make this a very silly font, right? Now, for fonts, you can go to Effects, and you can put an outline there. You can change the thickness, change the color. Oh, let's make it white. There we go. So that's how you do it for fonts. You can also, let's undo all of this, right? You're going to duplicate it. And then we're going to go to Effects, and make it hollow. And then you can change the color. You can change the color here, actually, of the hollow thing to white. And that would also give you an outline. Advantage of doing it this way is if you wanted, you could put something to go in between. So, I don't know. Let's find an animated element. Ribbon waving. That one. This is the most ridiculous design. But anyway, it's just to illustrate the point. Let's change the height to 1.1. Do you know, I forget that you could just type it in, 1.1, and let's do the same for the text underneath. Line height to 1.1. And then let's find our funky animation. Let's look at the layers. Show layers. And if we put it between the outline layer and the solid layer, right? And then let's line it all up properly so that it's not all over the place. So it looks like it's threading its way in and out of your lettering. That's how you make a simple outline, white outline over a cutout, or just any shape really. Simple, right? I hope you found that useful. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.